Hello everybody and welcome to a new series. I have a different one called a Survivor's Guide to Minecraft. This one is a Builder's Guide to Minecraft. This is episode 1. It's a tutorial on how to use a certain mod called WorldEdit. Mostly used on servers, but it can also be installed on single player, and maybe I'll make a tutorial sometime on how to install it. But it's usually pretty simple, so I probably won't. So this is going to be a tutorial on how to use WorldEdit and Voxel Sniper. This is going to be a city I'm building. Right there is a beacon. You can see it is called Romania. Up there I'm going to be building a castle, but we're going to deal with that later because that's all going to be Voxel Sniper commands. Down here though, I'm going to be building a city, but there's all these hills and trees in the way. What are we going to do about that? Well, we're going to clear it all out. The first that we're going to do is one of the most simple. It involves a tool called the wand. It's meant for one purpose, which is to create or destroy massive areas. We're going to do this by typing / wand. Gives you a wooden axe, and we use this by selecting 2 corners, which creates an invisible box area that we can either destroy all the stuff in or replace everything, including just the air, with giant blocks. But you must be careful with this if you want to use it on your own. It's a very powerful tool, and if you're using it on a server, it can either cause lots of lag or even crash the server. I admit I've done that on this server a few times, making something really massive. So we're going to get started. We're going to clear out this giant area of trees and hills, or at least a small area, because we want to be careful and don't want to crash the server. So we select one corner by left clicking. It doesn't actually destroy the block because as you can see it just instantly came back. Then we're going to go way over here. Going to make a nice high up corner. We're going to right click. That creates a second corner. Now you can't see it, but there's an invisible box, and we can do whatever we want. Next thing to do, going into chat, we type / set. Then we can either press 1 for stone, 2 for grass, 3 for dirt, but I want to make all of this disappear, so I'm going to type 0. 0 is the ID number for air. Press enter. Poof. The whole area gone. Now I'm going to also show how to just replace blocks with a different one. Same thing. All this is dirt and I want to make it grass. The first corner over there is already selected. I'm going to change the corner here by right clicking right here. I'm going to type in / set, and I'm also going to show you right here there are certain blocks you can replace just by typing in what it's called. As long as it's a one-word block, it will work. So I'm going to type in grass, and I just sunk that poor little sheep. Now, if there's a small area, I will eventually make it bigger so I can turn this into a lovely, massive city. But right now, I want to make this look a little natural, because right here you can see we have walls of dirt. Now, The next thing we're going to do is create a brush. A brush is a sort of tool that binds to any unplaceable item. Like, say, in this case, our brush is going to be a stick. First thing we're going to do is create some spheres. This one, how you do this is you type /brush with only one slash, not two. Then you type in sphere. Next, you type in what kind of block you want the sphere to be. I'm going to type in dirt. Then you type in the number of the radius that you want it to be. I'm going to do 4. Now if I type in 4, it's actually, the sphere will be 9 blocks wide because it's actually 4 blocks from the center to the edge. Press enter. Now watch. The maximum sphere size that you can create is by typing in 5. Unlike the other one, Voxel Sniper, which is you can create one so big you can crash the server. But like I said, we'll get to that later. We're going to smooth all of this out. You can just hold it down and move, and it'll create lots of spheres. So right now it looks a little more natural, but still kind of out of place. Next thing we're going to do is create a smooth brush. I'm going to do that to get another unplaceable block like this blaze rod. I'm going to type /brush smooth, and then once again you type in how big you want the area to be. I'm going to type in 4 as well. This one actually, you can do 4, like it said right here, 4 by 4. You can do this one like 4 by 3, 4 by 2, but I'm just going to stick with 4 by 4. Now when you right click it and hold it down, it smooths the area out and makes it look more natural. So I'm going to move all around here. Unfortunately, it works on any block, including trees, so it will degrade the trees a little, but for now we'll just ignore that. There we go. Now these are just 2 basic commands, I guess I could say 3, that are used in WorldEdit. It makes a good starting point for anybody who wants to build anything massive. But using the wand command, it would be best to make big flat areas in increments. You wouldn't want to make one massive flat area in one command, because that can easily crash server or make your game in single player shut down. So that will be it for this episode. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video and if it was helpful, please like and share. If you want to see more, then don't forget to subscribe. Once again, for all the trolls out there, keep your commenting mouths shut because nobody likes you. And for all the other people, if you have any ideas for any videos or anything else that you have to suggest, feel free to leave a comment because we actually do like you. And for now, the mischief is managed.